Well, that's the power plant is the 7 horsepower Fairbanks Morse engine. It's a 1923, and it's powering the air compressor, water pump, grindstone, 2 grindstones. Those lights that go up and down, they're powering those. What else is in there? That fan. It does a lot of things, but it does absolutely nothing.
Yeah.
And I had a full head of hair and it had color when I started. So it was quite a while ago.
That's what old guys do.
Yeah.
Entertain
It's
themselves.
cool. Like, how long did it take to get to where it is now?
Oh, I probably was 5 years doing that.
5 years? Sweet.
Well, the biggest reason they didn't have all the stuff to start with. And well, to start with, I had the engine in the front. And then you get something else, you got to move it, it won't fit. And but what you see is what you get, because I'm not doing any more.
Yeah, sounds good.
But you can smell it. You can smell it in the
Yeah, I
air.
can definitely smell it.
Exhaust, you can smell the oil and the grease and all
Smells
that
good.
stuff.
I like that smell.
It takes you back in time.
Yeah, I bet.
Well, I've been 79 years and never been on one of them bicycles, and I'm not going to start today. Don't interest me at all.
You can make one to ride though.
Yeah, but it's going to have 4 wheels on it. Don't make it.